Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. There's a fly. Got another episode of Lifts and Levels. This is going to be a rough country 3-inch bolt-on no-cut kit for 2012 to 2017 Ram 1500 trucks. I lied. This is actually going to be for 2012 to 18 Ram 1500 trucks. This is going to be an upper control arm kit, so you're not replacing knuckles or anything like that. You're simply lifting the front end and compensating for the increased angles by using new upper control arms that Rough Country provides. This kit, like I said, it's a bolt-on kit, so there's no cutting. So there's no differential drop, which isn't always the greatest. And there's no modification, which is nice. You will have to, as you can see, the front strut spacer is this little spacer here, is the strut spacer. Most of the lift is achieved by this here, which is going to be a preload spacer. So you're actually going to have to take apart the front struts, install this preload spacer, put it back together, and then use this strut spacer as well. So it's not the easiest thing. It's not like a leveling kit, because you have to take apart the struts and everything. And then in the back, they also provide you with these little coil spring spacers for the rear. They're just a 1-inch lift in the rear, so you'll get 3 in the front and then 1 inch in the rear. And then new shocks for the rear as well. And that's really pretty much it. So, Rough Country 3-inch kit here. This is their bolt-on series kit for the Ram 1500 trucks. Got it installed on the old truck here, and as you can see, truck's up in the air right now, so everything's at full droop. You can see the new Rough Country upper control arms are on. You can see maybe in here, there's a little spacer up top here. This is actually the preload spacer on the strut, so you actually have to take the strut apart, compress the spring, install the preload spacer, and then put the strut hat back on and put it all together. And what that does is that's going to provide a lot of lift, because you're basically preloading the spring down, increasing the spring rate, which is in turn going to lift the truck up. But the drawback to that is you're increasing the spring rate, so you're going to make the truck ride stiffer. So we'll see how that goes. Besides the upper control arms here, on top of that is going to be that small little strut spacer. I think that's really more so just to offset the strut so that it aligns it properly. But that's pretty much everything up front. You know, there's no differential drop or anything on this kit. No sway bar correction or anything. Nothing to do with the brake lines, just simply the upper control arm and the strut spacer and preload spacer. And then in the back, turn your camera. In the back, the Ram trucks here, these half-ton Rams, and now even the 3/4-ton Rams are coiled sprung in the rear. So you can't see it probably here, but if you look up there, you'll see this new bolt. That's for the spacer. There's a coil spring spacer. It's about a 1-inch spacer. So you're lifting the rear 1 inch, lifting the front 3 inches, and then in the back, the new Rough Country shocks. And that's pretty much it for the back as well. Not too much going on in this kit, but we will get it down on the ground and see how the angles look there.